Okay, so let's ignore my no makeup face because I am still on holiday. I am in Cuba for my birthday and it's such a dream come true. I have been wanting to come here for so many years. So I'm very happy that I finally managed and I literally had the best time ever. And I was feeling really uninspired with what to wear. I feel like this summer season I wasn't feeling it yet, but in the end I'm really happy with everything that I packed and everything that I wore. By the way, if you hear some noises in the background, please don't mind them. It's probably just one of the hotel staff members or other guests that are passing by, like right now. So if you hear something like this, I really hope that it's not going to bother you too much. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you what I wore. Okay, so first let's take a look at all the accessories that I got with me. I have 3 different handbags, 3 pairs of sunglasses and 3 pairs of shoes. I don't usually take more than 3 handbags anywhere I go, but in this case I also wanted for the handbags to be not very brandy, like very logo-y. I wanted the bags to be a little bit more subtle, firstly because of my own security, and secondly because I also don't want to be very show-offy, like very braggy. I don't know, I can't really explain it. But yeah, these in my opinion are quite subtle. Of course, if you follow luxury designer fashion, you would know that these are designer handbags, but generally they don't really scream designer, which is why I picked these 3. So first we have my Jacquemus Le Panier Soleil, something like that it's called, and this is my travel tote slash beach tote. This is a great handbag. It's last year's one of my best purchases. Then I have my Bottega noodle bag. Is it called Jody? I just call it my noodle bag. And here is my precious Lady Dior, one of my favorite handbags, one of my most used handbags of the year already. Then I have my sunglasses, my Miu Miu runway sunglasses, Celine Triumph oval sunglasses, and my Chanel narrow rectangular sunglasses. And now let's take a look at the shoes. The shoes, actually, none of them are designer. I have my old Zara sandals, mango ballerinas, mesh ballerinas, and these platform sandals. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 1. And I know that you can only see half of my body, so I'm going to put like full body video on the side so that you can see the outfit completely. But I'm wearing a white vest with a little flower on the side. Then I'm wearing pinstriped Bermuda shorts, my mesh mango ballerinas, mini Lady Dior, and for sunglasses I went with the Celine oval Triumph sunglasses. And I love this look. I feel like this is one of my all-time favorite summer outfits because in the summer, it's very hard to style things just because you can't layer. You can't put like tops over blazers, over coats. I mean, the other way around, but you get where I'm going with that. And I feel like this is such a cool outfit. It's so sleek, yet so elegant. And it's also so comfortable because of the ballerinas and the shorts. I mean, I just feel so good in this outfit. So yeah, this is definitely one of my all-time favorites. Okay, so now for outfit number 2, as you can see, I kept the same pinstriped Bermuda shorts. However, I changed absolutely everything else. So we have a different top, a different bag, different sunglasses, and different pair of shoes. So it's the same shorts, but a completely different outfit, which is something that I love when I travel. So we have this like frilly little top, and I'm wearing a black lace bralette, which is basically the most layering that you can do in the summer. Then I have my noodle bag, my platform black sandals, and for sunglasses I am going for the Miu Miu runway sunglasses. And I feel like this is giving me like early 2000s supermodel vibes. It's almost like you just pulled random things out of your closet and effortlessly look cool. I don't know, is it? Do you feel that? I feel that vibe. I really feel that vibe. And again, it's so comfortable and just really like you know, just just so effortlessly cool. Now for outfit number 3, we have my mini Lady Dior, which we already styled, and also my white mesh ballerinas, which we also already styled. However, everything else is different. I have a white linen shirt and a red mini skirt. Since I'm in Cuba, I really wanted to wear something red, but I feel like this outfit would literally work in any city, anywhere, because it is so simple and yet it's so effective. It's like there is not much going on, but it makes such a statement. And I think it's really all about the red skirt. And really, if you don't like red, it could be any color skirt. It could be green, hot pink, anything. And I think it would just look, again, so effortlessly cool. And of course, to top off the look, I need a pair of sunglasses. And in this case, I would go for the Chanel rectangular sunglasses. Outfit number 4 is basically my beach outfit. I kept the white linen shirt and I added blue striped shorts. I feel like this is a timeless beach outfit classic, and I really like to have a shirt with long sleeves for the beach, just in case I burn, because I burn very easily. So then when I have to walk back to the hotel in the direct sunlight, it's not really very pleasant if everything is still exposed. So I really like to hide under a linen shirt. So I have added, of course, my beach bag, and I really like the color. I like the pop of pink against the white and the blue. I think that it really works together. And then I have my beach sandals and of course my Miu Miu sunglasses, just so that it gives a little bit extra, because these sunglasses, that's exactly what they are. They always bring that little bit of extra. And I feel like this is, again, very chic, comfortable, easy summer beach outfit. Now, since I'm here for my birthday, I needed to get one dress, something that I could wear for a birthday dinner. And I feel like this just hit the jackpot for me. It is so simple. I think I bought this from Zara. It's a recent purchase, but it's very comfortable and it's also very flattering. I love the frills, I love the ruching, I love the frills even in the middle. I hope that you can see them and I hope that they're not making too much noise. And it's very comfortable. It's a little bit too short from what I would normally wear. I hope, again, you can see, but still, I felt like this was the perfect dress, perfect little black dress. And I am going for the monochrome vibes. I have the mini Lady Dior and the mesh ballerinas. I didn't take any heels just because, honestly, I just wanted to be comfortable. And just in case it was still sunny, I was wearing the Celine Triumph oval sunglasses. Someone really needs to tell me how to pronounce Triumph properly, because I keep saying it both ways and no one has ever corrected me. So please, if you know, please tell me in the comment section below, because otherwise I feel like I'm embarrassing myself. But yeah, this was my birthday dress. For outfit number 6, we've already seen the bag, we've seen the sunglasses, and we've also seen the shoes. I'm wearing the white mesh ballerinas, but everything else is new. So I'm wearing this white top with these frills, and it also has a statementy back, which is something that I love in the summer. And then I'm wearing a white linen maxi skirt, which I can't really show, but you will see it on the side. And this is, again, one of those effortlessly cool outfits. I'm not trying too hard, but it's making such a statement, which is perfect. Oh, and let me put on the sunglasses. So very simple, very summery, and also, I don't know, it just brings all the vibes. And the bag is big enough to go souvenir shopping and fit all of my shopping of the day. So yeah, I really like this look as well. We have reached the final outfit, and as you can see, I kept the same linen maxi skirt, but I changed everything else. I changed the sunglasses, the top, the bag, and the shoes. So once again, we have a completely different outfit with the same bottom part. So I have the black platform sandals, a strapless striped top, the Lady Dior, and the Celine oval sunglasses. And this is, I mean, again, stripes, monochrome. This is perfect to go sightseeing on the beach. And again, it's so comfortable and I just feel so good in outfits like this. So yeah, I think that this is another win for me. And also because I kept the same bottom. And this skirt in general, it's been one of the best purchases. I bought it last year and I wore it multiple times last year and I have already worn it this year. Of course, you could also wear the same outfit with white linen pants, but I mean, in the summer, I like that extra ventilation that comes with the skirt. And so, yeah, because it's a maxi skirt, it's also cool to have naked shoulders. Okay guys, so these were the main outfits that I had planned for this holiday, but I also have 2 backup outfits just in case if something gets dirty, because that has happened to me. I am very clumsy and it happens more than it should really. So I always try to plan ahead and just in case bring something extra, especially because I am planning like there are 2 outfits with this skirt. So if this skirt gets dirty on the first day, I won't be able to wear the other one, you know. And the same goes for the shorts. If they get dirty to the point where I can't clean them, then I want to have a backup, something else. Do you want to see them? Should I show them to you? Or is it, I mean, they are not as exciting and they're not as nice as these ones, but still, I mean, should I show them? Okay. For example, this is the perfect backup outfit. It's very simple. It's a maxi dress with slits on the side and it's all black, which is great for many reasons because it's harder to get dirty. It's also perfect if it's hot because if you get sweaty, you won't be able to see anything. And then it also has a nice little detail on the back, a little bit of skin showing on the back. And also because of the slits, there's also ventilation. And then I styled it with the noodle bag, with the platform sandals and the Miu Miu sunglasses, just to bring a little bit of a cool girl vibe. So yeah, this was one of the backup outfits. Oh, and also because it doesn't wrinkle. So for example, if you have like a long transfer, like for example, I had from Havana to Varadero, which is where I am now, it's 2 hours with a car. So this dress was perfect for that situation. And this is the second backup outfit. This is very like beachy. It's a beige, as you can see, jumpsuit, and it has a matching belt. And I would style it with the beach slides, the Jacquemus beach bag, and with the Chanel sunglasses. I didn't really want to wear it, but I got it as the backup, mainly because I would prefer to style this with a chain belt, just to make it a little bit more interesting, a little bit more extra. But if something got ruined, I would be fine with this as an outfit choice as well. I think that it's very neutral and again, very comfy, very easy, can go to the beach, can go souvenir shopping with this big bag. So yeah, I think that this was also a very easy breezy choice. So that's it for my outfits. I hope that you found it useful. This is the first time I have done a format like this. I hope that it's going to turn out okay. And if you liked it, then please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I can't wait to show you what I got for my birthday. Just a little teaser. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you when I'm back in Barcelona. Stay safe, everyone.